This is the extreme ace assembly. Obviously we need the 4 aces. We have the ace of hearts, ace of clubs, ace of diamonds, and lastly ace of spades, all 4 aces. Now for each ace I'm going to need a pile of 3 cards, so that's 4 piles. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1 pile, 1, 2, 3, 2 piles, 1, 2, 3, 3 piles, 1, 2, 3, lastly 4 piles. Now the rest of the cards, we don't need them, so I'm just going to toss them out. They're done. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these cards face up, these cards going face down, these cards going face up, take my aces, right, face down, these cards face up. Now we have face up cards going to face down cards, and it's just a big mix up there. Now, normally I'd have an assistant, but I don't, so I'm going to go myself. But I'm just going to say go whenever I want to. So like right now I'd say go, and then the aces would pop up by themselves. So we got 1 ace, we got 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm just going to take 1, 2, 3 cards, set them down right here. Okay. Take 1, 2, 3 cards. Okay, set them down right here. Take 1, 2, 3 cards. Down right here, 1, 2, 3 cards. Right there. Now, obviously I want you to try to find the ace. You can obviously see that it's face up. It's obvious. If I mix them around, you can still find them. But if I shake it like that, bam, you start to see it turn over. Not only does it turn over, but it disappears and jumps out of the pile. Now once again with this one, you start to see that it's face up, shake it, and then you start to see it slowly turn over. And then disappear. Alright, last time, you take the ace, mix it around, face up until we shake it, then it turns face down and once again disappears. Now, if you're keeping a close eye on this ace, shake it, okay, we have clubs, diamonds, heart, spade. Extreme ace assembly.